Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So it's been a while since I shared a long fashion haul. So if you read by the title, I'm going to be doing a huge fashion haul today. If you want to see what I got from H&M, Zara, Lifestyle and Miniso, then keep on watching. So guys, let's just start with Zara. So I saw this beautiful t-shirt. So this is got this ruffle detailing on the sleeves, and it's a very pretty lime green color, and it's such a summer color. I don't have this color, so I really liked it. And this retails for about 800 something, which was pretty decent. And I got it in the size medium, although the size small fits me, but this was a little baggy, so I really liked it. I will be styling it on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there, and the links will be in the description. And it's a pretty t-shirt, and you can easily pair it with blue jeans, white jeans or anything. So it's a nice t-shirt. You can check this out, guys. Most of you know that whenever you are in Zara, at the checkout counter, there are these amazing Zara fragrances, and Zara fragrances are so underrated. They are so amazing. They are really nice fragrances. Earlier I used to use this Zara Twilight Mauve, and I really love this pretty lavender bottle. So I have used this a lot. It's over now. It was such a nice fragrance, and then I always like to browse around the Zara fragrances, so I really liked this fragrance. I think it's one of their classics. It's called Orchid Bloom. It's such a pretty packaging, and look how cute the bottle is. This is the mini variant, so I really like these for travel or something. And trust me, you guys, the fragrance smells amazing. Let me just spray and show you. Oh my god, guys, it's just heaven in a bottle. I absolutely freaking lootly recommend this bottle. This you can buy it in a bigger size, but I got it retails for 800 rupees, and this is so travel friendly. I really like it. It's just got this summer in a bottle. Like, if you are a fan of floral fragrances, you will absolutely love it. So without a doubt, go for it. So guys, next up we have H&M, and from H&M I did a very huge haul. So I did this haul in some few parts. So I did one in the month of May, and then I did like I think in April or something, and then one I did around Feb. So I've clubbed a lot of pieces. Most of them will be summer collection, but some of them will be there on Myntra on discount. So I will link all the links in the description. You can check them out. So now let's go on to the H&M. So guys, my today's look is also from H&M. Let me show you this necklace. This is such a pretty necklace. So I left this necklace. So you regret whatever you don't shop. So I went back to the shop, and I got this the second time I went to H&M, because it's such a pretty piece, and online it was much pricier, and in store it was a different price. I don't know why. So it's such a pretty piece. If you guys get this piece in H&M, it's going to be there in all their necklaces collection, where all the jewelry is there, earrings and necklaces. Definitely pick this out. It's a kind of a mother of pearl necklace with this chain detailing, and this top is also from H&M. This is such a pretty pink. I absolutely love pinks in summers. The style again, this ruche detailing. I'll insert the picture also right here, so you can check out how else you can style it. It's a very pretty cargo white pants to style along with this. I don't know if it will come on camera. So this is the cargo pants. I have never owned any cargo pants, and I was quite intrigued. And when I saw this piece, I was thinking that it might not suit me, but when I tried it, it fitted like a glove. Obviously it's a little like baggy, but it suited so much with this top. I will put the picture right here so that you can check it out. And I'm going to be styling it very soon on Instagram, using my other crop tops also. So you will see a reel on my Instagram. So if you want to follow all my reels, definitely you know what to do. To follow this handle, and or the link will be in the description. So it's such a pretty white cargo pants. I really liked it, and it's easy breezy for summer. So if you're looking for a good white cargo, definitely check it out. I'll try to leave a link of this cargo pants down below. Guys, next up I got this very pretty crop top. These are from the H&M Basics. If you have seen H&M, then you must be knowing that they have these kind of gunji or crop tops, whatever you call it, and it's such a pretty pink. Even this pink is a very pretty color, and even this pink, this is like baby pink, and this is like almost like you know, candy floss pink. It's such a pretty pink color, and you can wear such a necklace with this top also. It's such a nice crop top. And I also got this white crop basic top from their basics, and this is a little loose for me, so I've like tied knots, but this also looks very cute. And you can easily style it also under, you know, suppose if you have a top where, or like loose shirts or something like that. I will also style it with, you know, like a cord set that I have. So you can also use this as an inner, or you can wear it as a top with blue jeans or black jeans or something. So it's a really universal thing, so you can check this out. Guys, I love H&M jewelry. As you can see that this one is such a pretty piece. And I also saw this very pretty dainty jewelry. So this is like a mother of pearl heart and like gold chain. And obviously H&M jewelry doesn't rust, so I'm looking forward to wear this very soon. So as you can see, let me just show you, like this also looks good with this. See how cute it looks like with this also. So you can pair any crop top and you can wear such a dainty jewelry. You can also wear it like under shirts, dresses, or anything. So I can't wait to style this, so stay tuned. So then from H&M I got this really pretty mesh top. So basically it's a mesh top, but it has this basically, you know, cross knot like details, and you can also wear it as a shrug. So like I showed you that white inner, you can wear, you can pair like this inner with such a nice mesh shrug, so it looks really pretty. Like you can see what I'm saying, like it looks just so stunning together. And you can just wear like a high-waisted jeans or something. So really pretty. I've styled this so many times, so I will you know, insert the pictures here so you can check them out. So guys, then I got this lavender dress. This I think I got a little in, I guess, Feb or March. I don't remember when did I get this, but I've worn it like a couple of times, and I think I saw this on Myntra also. I will try to find a link and insert it for you guys. And behind there is a bow knot. It's a very pretty piece. Whenever I've worn this dress, I've gotten a lot of compliments for this dress. So I really like this piece. If you find this, then you should pick it up. So guys, I am always in the look for a nice pair of jeans, so whether it's blue, black, or anything. So I always love H&M jeans, so I had to pick it up. So you know, I got it in the size 10-42. I don't like very tight jeans from my waist. You know, they should just fit well. And so this is basically a broad jeans or wide jeans as you call it. I don't know what exactly you call it. I think I will see the tags, or I will check this like what is this jeans called, and I will leave a link for you guys down below. But it's a really nice comfortable material. You know, it's just a nice pair of jeans. You can wear it in summers or winters. So I really liked it. I'll style it soon. I got this really pretty blue jeans, and this is a shade of blue that you know, it's very hard to find. So it's like, you know, very light denim color. I really like this denim color, and this is called slim straight regular fit high waist jeans, and this is again in the size 42-10. That is the size that comfortably fits me, and I like that this has a rip over here on my knee. It absolutely fits me on my knee. And you know, like you can like trim these threads or something, but I think the fit is so amazing. So I really like H&M jeans fits. Next up, I got a very pretty cord set. Like, it was, when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, it's in H&M. I couldn't, you know, believe it because it was so stunning. So basically this is this crop top. So this is this shimmer crop top. I really like it because you can also pair it with saris, and you can also wear it in a western way. So basically this really, and the best part is that there is no hook or something. Basically you can just like pull it down. I think it has some elastic or something, I don't know, but it just fits me like a glove. And this retailed for around 1500, so it was a little pricey, but I love the color of gold. This is not a very loud gold. I know it's sequin, but it's a very subtle classy gold. So I really like this. And you know, it comes with this very pretty skirt. So basically this is the satin skirt that it came along with. I hope you can see the style on camera. So basically it's like this really nice fall. It falls like it, comes 3/4 in size. And I think I wore it in the trial room. So this is the picture. I'll insert it right here. I'm not styled it yet, but I'm looking forward to trying this. And like, it's such a stunning piece that nobody will say that this is an H&M. Everyone will think it's a designer piece. And it's quite a decent buy. Skirt costed me for about 2700, 2800 something. So I think the whole set costs around 4000. This is the dress that I got in or something, I don't remember when, but I wore it and I got so many compliments on it. And I found this on Myntra too, so I will leave a link. So basically it's a satin dress. It's a full sleeve dress. It's not like that you can only wear it in winters. You can easily wear it in like summers, or you know when you are going for like night parties. So it's a really nice dress, and it's like a wraparound dress. So there is this wraparound which like this, and this goes from one side and comes around, and then it ties like a bow from behind. I will insert a picture or a video right here for you to see. It's a really pretty classy piece, so you can check this out. Next up, I wanted to show you this very pretty gunmetal metallic dress. It's such a stunning piece. It's perfect for your parties, and it has a very small slit over here, so like a very small slit. And I styled this in like I got this in like kind of winters, and I styled this using this mesh top. So this mesh top is easily available in H&M, so like you can definitely wear a bralette inside or something and wear this, or you can just wear this top and you can wear the dress over it, so it looks so stunning together. Guys, next up I wanted to try the H&M nail polishes, and there's this aisle in Select City Walk where they have like amazing array of nail polishes and really pretty shades. So it's a nice like dusty pink, so I really liked it. I wanted to try it. It does oxidize a little bit, so this shade may turn a shade darker, but it's a really nice long lasting nail paint. It's not like that it'll chip in a day or two. It'll last for about 4-5 days. That's how long a nail paint any which ways lasts on me. And this shade was like such a pretty shade. It's so like this, if you can see, it like reflects light, and it has these really nice pink shimmer particles, and I really like it. So this is called December Dawn, and this is called Hearts and Flowers. So you can check these out if you are looking for nice cute summer nail paints. So guys, lastly from H&M I picked up this really pretty dress. So basically this is literally screaming summer. So this has this beautiful like leaf, flowers, floral kind of vibe, like like a nice beachy floral holiday vibe, and it's a really cute nice skater dress. It has straps, and this has adjustable straps, and this is what it looks, and it has comfortable fit so that it'll kind of stretch from your back. And it's a really nice cute skirt. I really liked it. I am yet to style it soon, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. So guys, now let's move on to lifestyle haul, because I picked up some few stuff from Lifestyle, and Lifestyle also has a good collection of clothes. So I don't go as often, but whenever I have gone, I've always make sure to check out these brands in Lifestyle. One is Ginger. Even their t-shirts are really cool. They have like really nice graphic cool tees. Material is really comfortable, so I checked out this t-shirt. So this has Cali written on it, beach vibes, and it's a really nice mint color. So this is from the brand called Fame Forever, and really nice comfortable t-shirt. Very nice soft cotton material, very long lasting and quite good fabric, and I think it retailed under 500, so it's pretty good and comfortable. You can check this out. Also picked up one more t-shirt from this brand called Kappa, and it's a really nice tie-dye and pink mix t-shirt, and this has this brand detailing I think over here. So it's really nice and comfortable, and I think this was on some discount or something. So there are some discounts running sometimes on Lifestyle, so you can check it out. So guys, next up from Ginger, I really love this brand Ginger, and I love their collection. I think even dresses, even like anything that I've seen this brand is mostly nice only. So I saw this really pretty floral dress, and it's like mesh fabric. It's not like very heavy. It's like it's got this ruche detailing on the sleeves. It gives a very classy feel to it, and has this very soft mesh. It's not like that it's gonna hurt you, and I really liked it. And it's a size plus. I think this is size M, but I just took it, and because I style it with like a belt, so you can style it with a white belt or like a golden belt. A very pretty dress. It's just like till my knees, and I really loved it. I've styled it. I wore it for my cousin's baby shower. You can check out the picture right here. I got so many compliments on this dress. I highly recommend if you find this dress. I'll try to leave a link if I find this dress, so you can check this out. So guys, I really like the Indian wear and lifestyle, and this is from the brand called Melange. I have heard a lot about this brand, but I didn't have anything from them ever. And this is a very pretty kurta set. Forgetting if it came with the dupatta or not, but it's a very pretty summer kurta. Just look at this, like, you know, all summer colors. It's like pastel. If you are a pastel person like me, I love pastel Indian wear, and if you like that, then you know you are gonna love this. Just look at the design. I hope you can see this. Like, it has this like beautiful like flowers or something, and then it has this green, pink and blue, like basically like mint green, mint blue, and like cool ice blue, and then like this pink color. And it's such a nice fabric. It's such a soft fabric. It's satin crepe or something, and such a pretty kurta. And it comes with this very nice like, you know, cool plazo style pants. So basically this is like this, and it is like this from the behind. It has elastic, and from the front it has this like pant style detailing. So again, very breezy. Will style it very soon on my Instagram. I can't wait to, you know, like style it. So stay tuned to my Instagram too. Now let's go on to the Miniso haul. So guys, first off, from Miniso I got this really pretty cutter. I get a lot of packages, and I, you know, wanted to buy this really cute cutter, and when I saw it I was like, oh my god, I really need this. This is what the cutter looks like. It's really cute. It's got this like really cute character, and then the blade comes out from it like just like a regular cutter, but it's so cute. And it's, I think, retail for just $100. How cute. I think you should definitely check this out if you like you know, ordering a lot online. So check this out. It's next up, when you know, I'm a very Barbie fan, and when Barbie movie came, I really even went to see it. And when I saw this Barbie stationery in Miniso, my childhood dreams coming true. Like Barbie notepad, how cute is that? I don't even know how, you know, what it looks like inside. So let's just unbox it together. If you have a, you know, like a you know, niece at your place, or like if you are a mother and you have a daughter, or if you are yourself a very girly girl and you love Barbie, then you should check out their Barbie accessories. I mean, just look at this notepad. Like, how pretty is this? Like, literally. And behind also, it also says Mattel. So I guess there was some collaboration with Miniso or something. And just look at this, like all stickers or something inside. I think these are like bookmarks, if I'm not wrong. I think these are like Barbie bookmarks. How cute. And then I think this has this planner, the weekly planner, and then this has this Barbie notepad. So cute. I think I'm gonna make a lot of use out of this. So I think it was pretty reasonable. It was for, I guess, around $400, 300-400 bucks. So you can check this out. How cute is this? So this is basically a Barbie nail cutter, and you know what, if you're traveling, you can easily travel with this. I think it retails for $200. So I think it has two sizes of nail cutters, or I think two styles. So one is, I guess, a cuticle cutter, and the other one is the nail cutter. So pretty nice and handy, and you can also gift it to somebody. Really cute. As a creator, I mean, I'm always on look for like organizers. Even all the girls, they love organizing their makeup and jewelry. So I got this. You can also use this, like, Miniso has amazing organizers, everyone knows that. And this has like two bins, like here, like these are of plastic. if you, they can come out, and then there are this like storage spaces. You can also use it as you store your stationery or something. It's so cute. I absolutely like this lavender color organizer. This is for 400 bucks. Guys, Miniso has amazing home decor. This like really nice pink shades of pink and white, very nice summer. You know, these are these clothes pins which you use to dry your clothes. So these are really cute, and I think this retails just so reasonable, just for 100 bucks. So guys, I saw these nose strips on Miniso, and it said deep cleansing, and it had aloe vera, and it was screaming to me. I was like, I need to try this, and I hope if it is good, then I will want to recommend you also. And this has 10 strips, so this retails for about 170 bucks, but it comes only with this one pouch. I don't know whether this only has all the strips or what. Like, so let's just see if it has all the strips. So yeah, these have all these strips. So basically it comes in the strips like these. So basically you apply it on your nose just like a normal nose strip, and you put it for like about 10-15 minutes. You use it with water and it sticks, and then you know, you take all the excess out from your nose. So it's good to clean your blackheads. So I think I think they should be good. If they are good, I will let you know. I will do either a reel or YouTube shorts. So make sure you're following me on my YouTube and Instagram both. This I end my entire haul. I hope you like this entire haul, and let me know in the comments which was your favorite thing. So guys, also let me know if you would like to see vlogs from me, like food vlogs, travel vlogs or something, because I love sharing that. Basically I also went to Sarojini Nagar, and if you would like to see what did I get, I did shopped like I went for two hours. If you would like to see what did I buy from my Sarojini haul, then definitely leave a comment and definitely tell me what was your favorite product from this. I will be coming up with giveaways and all lot more, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're in tune with all my future videos, and I'll be coming back with amazing videos like this. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and follow me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.